should have killed me.
So you head over to Flova AI, and when you head over to Flova AI, there are a lot of things you can explore right here. And when you are signing up for the first time, you sign up and you claim credits worth 300 credits, right? If you are just signing up newly. All right, so you can see there are a lot of things you can explore right here. Once you open the tool, you are going to see everything right there. So I'm going to sign up and get started and show you how everything works, how I was able to create that movie that you just watched, right? So now you can see currently there are a lot of things you can. When you come over, there's a chance that when you create a video and you upload it, you get the chance of getting part in some amount of money, so you can explore it and you see that. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to ChatGPT, and when I head over to ChatGPT, we need to get the script for the video we want to create, right? So the first thing is I make sure that I come to the skill and select the video model I want to use, right? So after doing that, I'm going to come over and tell ChatGPT to give me scripts that I'm going to make use of to generate this video, right? Both the script and the prompt, everything, you can just come over to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is going to do everything for you. So I'm just going to come over and copy the prompt given, and I'll take it right to this tool and paste it right there. Then I click on generate. After clicking on generate, this tool is going to analyze everything and even modernize it and make it more juicy, more amazing, right? And look at the what it said here. So I'm going to copy what it said, that is asking me for that I should present it in form of documents, and then, you know, so that I will just upload it. And then I should also indicate if it is 16:9 aspect ratio or 9:16 aspect ratio. So I'm going to come over and do that right here. So I'll drag the document right here and tell it that 16:9 framing. Then I will send it over. So it's going to analyze it and give us every information, every bit of details that is needed for this video, right? Now it's going to analyze everything. After doing that, I'll just be telling it all the instruction. When you are seeing it, you are going to be seeing all the information it's asking you and all the necessary steps. All you just need to be doing is just to be prompting it on what to do next, right? If you are satisfied with what is rendering, you can just tell it that approved, and then you continue, you proceed. So that is exactly what I am doing right here. It's as simple and as easy as that. It is not complex. The tool is very simple and very easy. The agent is there to analyze everything you are doing, right? So now we'll leave it in a few seconds. It's analyzing everything and it's going to generate. At first, it's going to start by generating the prompt, that is the image prompt. Now after generating the image prompt, it's going to now give us it will ask you if you approve the prompt, that is if you analyze. You can see these are the prompts right here. If you are cool with the prompt, you can just go ahead and tell it that okay, you approve it. Then it will generate your images, that is the image for the video. And also the beautiful part is that the consistency is top notch. Like at a point, I might not even need to tell you that let there be consistency in character, but just naturally it's going to build consistency. Now look at the perfect what it did. It generates all the pictures, that is both from the facial, from the front, the back, the side and back, every part. It generates everything. These are all the images that we are going to make use of. Like, this is beautiful. Now the next thing I'm going to tell you is just to approve it, and please proceed and make sure that there's consistency in character. Very, very important. Consistency in character. And trust me, this is going to give us a perfect work. As you see from the video, it gives us perfect consistency, right? Now as we are done with that, now I'm going to tell you to proceed with the generation. Now the next thing it's going to do is going to generate the visual prompt, that is prompt for the video. And as you can see, the prompts are already, and I approve it, and you can see it's already generating the video. And trust me, in few minutes, it doesn't take much time, and your video, compared to some other tools where it takes 10 minutes and so like that before it renders the video, before it generates the video. But with this tool, it does not consume time. It saves time a lot, right? So it is easy and simple as that. You can exploit it, and trust me, you are going to enjoy it. Whether you are doing ads, UGC content, or whatever content you are doing, just try this tool out. You are going to love it. You are going to love it. It's so super amazing and super lovely, right? So as you can see, this is immediately after generating completely. You can just go ahead and download them to your device. As you can see, I'm downloading them one after the other. So immediately after downloading them, you just take it and edit it, join them together, clip them together. And the beautiful part is, if there's any part that you are not satisfied with, right in this tool, under each video, you can just click on edit video. You will see the section right there, edit video. Immediately you click on edit video, it's going to edit your video and you are good to go. So that's how I was able to create that video. You can try it out today and thank me later.